Ah, the teenage male, a majestic creature known for energy drinks, poor decision-making, and now, attempted toaster surgery. Here, we see him facing a dilemma, a bagel stuck in a toaster. Clearly, the solution is to jab a pair of scissors into a plugged-in electrical appliance. What could possibly go wrong? Spoiler alert, everything. Those scissors, they're now a lightning rod for 120 volts of kitchen-based regret. Here's a better plan. Unplug the toaster. Seriously, those heating elements will zap you faster than you can say, extra crispy. Give it a minute to cool down, then use a non-metal tool or utensil to gently work the bagel out. Don't stab the toaster. Damaging the heating coils now can cause a fire risk later. Once you've rescued your bagel, end your pride, take a bow, you've just survived another breakfast. At Golden Rule, we want you to stay safe, be smart, and keep your home from burning down or anything worse.